This is the Globetrotter. This is the new platform that's on the planet for Airstream. 27 feet long. You're towing just about 6,000 pounds. It is, in this version, a queen, and it is the London colorway. We have 4 different color options in the Globetrotter, and frankly, most of the ones that we'll be bringing in will be tricked out. They will have electronic awnings, and you can see a row of LED lamps that run the entire length of the electronic awning. Certainly you have a unique colorway as far as the sunbrella awning. Keeping in mind, this is a sunbrella fabric awning. No mold, no mildew, doesn't have that lovely vinyl smell. This is, frankly, what separates Airstream from some of the product lines that are out there. They've added the new dual step, which is really kind of unique because I can now do either a single entry step or a dual entry step. From the standpoint of how this trailer works, you have fully welded screen door. When a door shuts in an Airstream, frankly, it doesn't get any better than this. That is, you can actually feel the vacuum on the inside. Notice how it's captured the door when that door then comes open. The Globetrotter is equipped with electronic stabilizing jacks and all LED lighting. Outside LED lighting, inside LED lighting. The Globetrotter, though, is most appreciated because of its interior. Come on in. As we make our way into the Globetrotter, I guess what catches your eye first is the color combination. There are 4 separate color combinations on the platform. There's a Copenhagen cream, which has dark cabinetry, a Dublin slate, which is a combination of the walnut with blue fabric. Then you have the Barcelona blue, and what we're looking at here is the London gray. So it has the beautiful textured ultra leather. It's done with the elm exterior combination, and immediately what catches your eye is the fact that this has kind of a European flair to it. From the standpoint, it was done in combination with some people out of the UK, but no fingerprint cabinetry, which is on beautiful gas cylinders, and of course you have both inside and outside lighting, accent lighting, all LED. The silhouette that you see with the Globetrotter, those very nice. Why? Because it's developed this very nice, if you will, platform that goes the entire length around the L-shaped section. All of the Airstreams, of course, have the fun stuff. Vista view windows that let all of that light in. Then you have the big radius windows that now give you the opportunity to have a 360-degree amount of light pouring in. You'll also have skylights that dump light in. In the new Globetrotter, one of the big changes has been the new 3-way refrigerator. So this will give you approximately 7 cubic feet of refrigerator freezer, but the great thing about this is that you can run it off of any of your appliance, meaning that I can run it off of battery, I can run it off of propane, and I can certainly run it off of shore power. What sets up beautifully to me, though, is the Galley. If you look at the Galley, the first thing that comes out to me is that the amount of counter space that is available. Airstream has now gone to the deep well stainless with the Corian inserts that have actually, you have Rubbermaid containers, so I am now utilizing space that in the past, frankly, hasn't been all that useful. Now I've got beautiful Franke faucet, and then of course the iconic porthole windows. Notice, if you will, the slate gray, and what we've done here is you have pot drawers. So I now have the ability to store an incredible amount of, if you will, utensils, whatever, if I'm working in the Galley. We still have the combination of the microwave with the oven. However, if I wanted to employ a convection microwave, that's also accessible. And certainly from the standpoint of pantry space, I've got a tremendous amount of storage. There is now storage above the refrigerated cabinet. And now I can also utilize, I can close off the master bedroom. I can close off my interior lavatory and shower area. So it gives a great, let's say, opportunity as if I do have guests traveling with. I love the matte finish on the elm, which is really kind of a fun, lightweight, light cabinetry. Notice, if you will, this beautiful porthole window going into the lavatory. If I was to shut off both of the master to the front living area, I still will have light. I have light pouring in from overhead skylight. I have, of course, these beautiful touch lights, and I've got striated glass into a stand-up shower, which allows me to do the shower along with the lavatory. The lavatory sets up so that I have plenty of room to change my socks, and of course the combination of the beautiful wood to stainless, and then the master. Now the master here, done with a queen bed, and by the way, this is the new mattress system for Airstream that is custom for the Globetrotter, but we will see it certainly in the future. I've got nightstands. All my USB ports are here, but I love the low silhouette, and it sets up dramatically with the herringbone fabric that goes into the Globetrotter. Once again, this is the 27-foot Globetrotter. Come and see us at Haydocy. I'm Eric Davis, 614-279-8880, or you can get me via email, eric@haydocy.com. Happy camping and enjoy the journey.